everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn on dark mode for Windows and other applications. So if you click on the Windows button and search for settings, and once you see it, just click on it. Under the personalization, click on it and click on colors, and from here you see the choose your mode. So you could change this to dark mode, and that basically changes the whole window mode to dark and other applications as well. So let me show you for Chrome, Google Chrome. If you refresh, basically everything now in dark mode, and same thing for Microsoft Edge browser, and same thing for Notepad. So if I change it back to light, it will basically changes everything back to light. And for Google Chrome, you need to refresh for some reason to take effect. And okay, so now if I wanted to only change dark mode for Windows, not affecting other applications, so I could choose the custom, and from here just change the Windows mode to dark and leave other applications light. And you could see that Windows have changed dark from the taskbar, and same thing if you click on the Windows button, and all the other applications such as Chrome, Notepad and Edge are in light mode. And if I wanted to do the opposite, so if I want to leave Windows light mode and other applications dark, I would see that as well. So if I refresh for Chrome, now it's in dark mode, and same thing for Microsoft Edge, and same thing for Notepad. And my Windows taskbar and my Windows options are all in light mode. And that's all I wanted to show you. Thank you.